I have some good news for you all. Judging from the title, you guys would have already known what I'm about to say, yeah? Another good news again coming up is me and babes are gonna take a trip. This will be my last time traveling on my Jamaican passport.
Australia. I'm just trying to let you know that you're
Silent. Well, a vibe in it. Yeah. It's island. Boy.
Wagwan.
Wagwan.
Welcome back to Island Boy Africa channel.
Island Boy Sandu.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what we up to?
Mom's at work, so Dad's staying here with me, and I'm staying here.
Yeah.
And so Nono just come to my house, and Nono's go to his house.
Yeah.
So, guys.
Alright. So yeah guys, welcome back to the channel. Me and Liquor Bobo at home. The evening. And babes at work. Yeah, it's evening settings. So yeah, we just had a shower of rain. Today it's just been sunny, cloudy, drizzle, sunny, cloudy, drizzle. You know, it's been like that. Just a while ago we had the most rain all day. Yeah, so just the warm, nothing much to do. Yeah man, it's a Saturday evening chill vibe, you know. Yeah man. So we're there and we just give ourselves trouble. Right, Bobo? Yeah man, so let me know how y'all doing. You know what I mean? Bless up everyone same way. You know, big up to all of my family back home. You know, all of my brother them and my sister and my mother. You know, big up everybody back home. Yeah man, everyone that's supporting me. Truly appreciate the love, you see me? Yes man. Hey boy, big fat that. Yes man. You know, this day I go and meditate, you know. I got this feeling, yeah. I got this feeling, it's something great. Don't know the meaning, but I have something. I've searched my whole life for not the same. Don't think I'm dreaming, I felt the change. With you and I, you and I can set the world on fire. You and I can set the world on fire.
I didn't hear that song like I was a baby.
Yeah. I've been singing this to you from you were a baby.
Yeah.
Like really young.
Yeah.
This song was created for Island.
Like I was little.
Yeah. Good morning, my beautiful people. So, right now, as you guys can see, look like the time cool. That's because it's actually quite chilly. You know what I mean? As I said before, it's now autumn, and even yesterday morning was even much colder. So it's just literally giving us a taste of what's to come, which is winter. You know, so but something happened yesterday, guys, and it's surprising because we remember when I planted the cane, and I was saying that I plant piece of the cane and also try to eat piece of it, and the cane was really tough, like solid, where I couldn't handle to even peel it with my teeth, much less even with a knife. You see me? And surprisingly, tried the cane yesterday, and the cane, guys, was super soft. May I tell you? That's even a peel piece for my wife, and she tried it and she love it, because you can imagine if my wife can't peel it. Well, me use a knife and peel it and make she eat the cane, and literally she could eat it just like that. So that shows you how soft it was. So I'm really excited. It wasn't a disappointment. Good thing I never throw it away. And yeah, I go cut one next one. I mean, they're not at the full length yet, but honestly, I'm so excited that I don't even care at this point. Them not, it's not like if me eat one more, them are dead. You get me? And the thing is that, guys, I've had cane juice in the Gold Coast and other places. Like they have this machine that they juice it with, and also when I went to Kansas, I've had cane from the market, but you can tell the cane weren't fresh. Like, you know, when you cut a cane and you leave it for a couple of days, the edges of it dries up. So you could tell that it's been, you know, it's been there for a couple of days and thing. But I'm telling you, yesterday is the first time since I left Jamaica I've had a fresh cane that just cut straight from the ground. I mean, I tell them I love it. The cane was sweet, very soft. I love that. May I tell you. So I'm gonna cut one right now. I'm gonna see what I go on. And as usual, guys, you know, me have the head of the cane right there, so I can plant that back. And I just take one next one, and after this, I just gonna left the rest to grow. So this is where I cut the one from yesterday. Just gonna cut this one. So I have the camera in my hand, so it's a bit difficult. There we go. Just look at that beauty. The giants them really long too. Yeah man, so that's the cane. Just a small one, guys. We have the head here for plant back, so nothing goes to waste. Always have. You guys know what this is, right? This is a jackfruit tree. Yeah man, that's a jackfruit tree, guys. And you guys wanna know something else? I don't know why it never came to my mind all along, but so I went on Facebook Marketplace and I look up like Dasheen and also beans, and guess what I found? I found purple yam, and I also found gungo, good old gungo peas from yard. You see me, and I couldn't believe it, and they're actually in the Gold Coast, which is like 2 hours drive from here in the city. So definitely when I go back to the city, may I forget some gungo peas and yam. I couldn't find any other yam but just that one. So we're gonna try those and see. And it's also, and it's mainly Asians that have these trees. Most of the stuff I realize it's Asians selling them. Yeah man, so I guess they're accustomed to these things back in their country. So yeah, like even the sugar cane, even something, see even one that we call ribbon, I think it's called ribbon cane or ribbon stripe in Jamaica. I seen that one in the Gold Coast as well, and it's Asians selling it. Yeah, like they plant it and sell it. So it's really interesting, the things you can find out here. Like even a soursop tree, would have thought, you know, well, me wouldn't have thought that I could find a soursop tree out here. I seen star apple tree, even the same apple that we have back home in Jamaica that we call the Jamaican apple. It's out here in Australia. I've seen it on videos in Western Australia. So there's plenty of things that in Jamaica that we think that might not be out here. It's here. Trust me on that. And I know that a lot of these things that we have in Jamaica that we call our own, they're not originally from Jamaica. I know that for a fact. You get me? Because even the same Jamaican apple, I've seen videos of it in Brazil. So just imagine, you know. But it's amazing to see these things. Alright, so this is the last of it, of the piece from yesterday. And just gonna peel it and show you guys. Oops. Yeah, moist. Is a youth now in their yard. Cane, mango and them something there. Something there paradise to me. Like me sit down the whole day and just I eat mango. I eat cane like non-stop. Yeah man. Here you go guys. Look at that. Yeah, I tell you, this right here is paradise. As a Jamaican, you would even understand how excited this makes me feel. I swear, I'm not show off for one right now. I just the excitement, I just the feeling of wanting this for so long. Oh my god. Shaman. Pure sweetness. This is the best. This is the best. So guys, these are the pine. So basically I remove the outside layer. Now you can see all the roots, and I'm gonna place these in water for several days until the roots come out properly. Then I'll plant them here, so stay tuned. So now what we're gonna do is gonna place it in the jar of water, just like that. And this one, I had this one out the back for a long while now. Don't know if it will make it, but here we go. Just get off this branch out the way. Yep, those are the roots. And this jar actually shaped like a pine, just fits perfect. So this is the simplest way you can grow your pine. Just buy it from the shop and do just this, and you'll have pine growing in no time. So there's something else I also want to show you guys, which I've been doing. So this right here, guys, is pineapple. Yeah, so that I bought from the shop, and I'm growing them. Okay, if you guys can see that, that's roots. Those are roots. Yeah, so I am going to be planting some pine, and I haven't researched if I can grow it here or not, but me I go plant it. If it grows, it grows. Yeah. This is the DJ Osmo Mobile 6. Look at this, guys. Alright, my peeps, so now it's evening settings. We had so much rain today, it's no joke. Yeah, man. But yeah, we literally haven't seen the sun all day, so that's what it is. Some days are like that. I have some good news for you all. Judging from the title, you guys would have already known what I'm about to say, yeah? Alright, so I am officially a permanent resident of Australia. Yes. Yeah, man. So what that means for me is that I'm free to travel, go back home, back and forth. You know, yeah, so that is a really great thing. And so it's been over a month now since I got my permanent residency. Yeah, I got it from like the earlier part in February. Yeah, and now we're in almost the end of March. So that, guys, so as you can see, it's a Friday and I'm riding home. Yeah, and today, guys, on February the 9th 2024, I got the best news in Australia. Ooh, I'm going through a tunnel. Yeah, so today, guys, I got the best news. So now I'm actually officially a permanent resident of Australia. The lawyer called me. I missed the call, but she then sent a voice note saying that officially I got my permanent resident of Australia, which otherwise PR. Yeah, man. So yeah, guys, you know, it's been a long journey, but officially it has happened. Today is a Friday. It's no better day to celebrate this. Just finished work, you know what I mean, about to go pick up Island from school. So yeah, guys, the best news, trust me.
Hi, Taro, it's Australia. I'm just ringing to let you know that your permanent partner visa was granted today. Congratulations. So you can enjoy celebrating that because you're a permanent resident now. Thank you. Bye-bye.
I'm happy about it. My wife is happy about it. So yeah, it's a good look, definitely. Now the thing is, another good news again coming up is me and babes are gonna take a trip. To Pacific Island early next month, April. And so what will be happening is this will be my last time traveling on my Jamaican passport, because it will be expiring in July. So we'll just take babe, so she wanna go up on a small trip, so we'll just take a little small trip, you know, before the baby and thing. So that is only a week we are gonna spend in this country. So looking forward to that, and I hope you all are too. Yeah, man. So now I'm in the process of trying to renew my passport, speak to the Jamaican consulate here in Australia, and so they do not do it in Australia, so I have to go through the Jamaican embassy in Japan, because I believe it's the closest to Australia. So I have to go through their website online and apply for my to renew my passport, and it's gonna take a while, at least 3 months, based on what the Jamaican consulate said to me. And so yeah, that's the whole process of it. Just a whole waiting game, but the earlier the better. Yeah, you know what I mean, because it's the worst feeling for no say, oh, you can't even go back to your country because you don't have your passport. Like, that's just out of this world, if you ask me. But yeah, so hope you guys are excited for the good news. Yeah, man. So stay tuned for some wicked content forward. Yeah, man. Some exciting content, you know, going on the plane one last time before my passport expire. Yeah, I only have one stamp in my passport from when I went to Fiji. Yeah, because when I came to Australia, they didn't stamp my passport. I don't know the reason for that. Maybe because I was coming to live here, I don't know, but yeah. So I only have one stamp in my passport, and going to this other country, gonna make it second one. So yeah, it's really something to look forward to. Yeah, man. So stick around for that, my people. Yeah, it's me and Ireland at home right now. I'm just cooking some chicken foot soup. Yeah, so that is that. It's a Sunday. Tomorrow I'm back on the work again. Yeah, man. Alright, so this is what's happening right about now. See that? Yeah, man, some good old chicken foot in that, you know. Yes, man, no matter what me there, still have a try for my Jamaican food, don't? Yeah, man. I know lots of people are funny with chicken food and everybody eat it, but me, I love it from day one. So all of me there, same way I still eat my chicken food. So nothing not change about me. Yeah, man. Nice. I'm sure I want to go on. What does this look like? Good old chicken food there. Yeah, boy. So this is the kind of noodle that I'm using. Yeah. And the good old Jamaican Maggi noodle, you know? Yeah. This me I work with. Alright, beautiful people. I just want to say thanks for watching this video, and I hope you all enjoy, yeah?
Wagwan! Medea!
Yes, sir.
Wagwan is my wagwan! Is my one! And I said my wagwan! And I can say wagwan to everybody!
Yeah, say, tell them little more. Say little more.
Little more!
Yes, man. That is it, my beautiful people. Give thanks for checking out this video. Now I'll definitely catch you in the next one, yeah? Peace out.